Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, students, welcome to this economic class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the date today?
4th of June, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. And do you know what is my subject, by the way?
Economics, sir.
Very good. Economics. Subject is economics. Okay. Very good. Okay. Class. Okay. So, students,
Yes, sir.
you must be wondering about this subject, okay? Economics.
Yes, sir.
Since in the class 8 and all, you studied, different subjects, okay, under this social sciences, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, before I begin to say something, okay, I will show you slides, okay?
Yes,
With the help
sir.
of slide, I will make you understand what this economic is all about, because you must be wondering, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because in the class 9, this one more subject I added to your subject, okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
extra headache, okay, for you. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
please help me out in operating the PPT.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, dear students, shall I put this one down?
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
will be better, sir.
Okay, so that you can have a better view, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, this one also I'll put it down. Yes, students, it will be very interesting, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me make it bigger. Here. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
So this is the new subject for you all, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you must be wondering about this new subject, what is all about, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in the class 8, in the social science, what we studied? History,
Yes, sir.
civics, geography, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But now new subject is added to your subject in the 9th class. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
hereafter you will be studying about this economics. So you might be wondering what is this whole economics? What is all about and all? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you curious to know about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
much,
good.
sir.
Very good. See, students, this economic subject, okay? So, in 8th class, in the social science, under social science, we studied about all these subjects, okay?
Yes, sir.
History, civics, geography and all, isn't it? History, what it talks about?
About past history,
Yes,
sir. Events.
study about the past events
Events.
recorded, isn't it? Facts and figures.
Yes, sir.
So, when we study about the subject history, we come to know about all these things, isn't it?
Yes,
Study
sir.
about, the past event which is recorded, isn't it? Important
Yes,
ones.
sir.
Facts and figures are there, isn't it? Then what about the civics?
Political science.
Yes, it's about the
Society.
political
Sir.
system, isn't it?
Yes,
How
sir.
the politics we see in our country, isn't it? That is part of civics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then geography, we study about the earth, planet and all related to whatever is there in the earth, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Even the human beings and all. So, students, when we study about all these subjects, history, civics, geography, we have the idea, isn't it?
Yes,
The moment
sir.
we come to know about history, we are able to say that, yeah, it is the past events recorded, facts and figures are there, isn't it?
Yes,
and when we
sir.
talk about civics, again, immediately that comes to our mind, isn't it? The political system and isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then geography, when we talk about geography, so we have the idea about the subject. Isn't that so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Similarly, students, look at here. Please pay attention.
Yes, sir.
See, when we talk about economics, okay,
Yes, sir.
when we talk about economics, so what happens here in economics? production and consumption. We study mostly about the what?
Production,
Production
consumption.
and consumption and all these economic activities. That means production and consumption, all these are economic activities, isn't it?
Yes,
And also something connected to money and all, isn't it? So
Yes,
those
sir.
things we study. Then it talks about the basic concepts like in the country's economy, what all things takes place. Different factors are there in the development of the country, isn't it? All things
Yes, sir.
that take place around us, we will try to relate with the economy. So students, this is the general understanding about the subject economy. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
when we look at this subject, okay, so all these things should come to our mind. Okay.
Yes,
when we
sir.
talk about economy, immediately there should be production, there should be consumption related to money. All the factors are there for the development of the country. The primary, secondary, tertiary sectors, organized, unorganized sector, public sector, private sector. All those things are there. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
whatever we see around us, the things taking place. Okay. So
Yes,
that we
sir.
try to relate with the economy. So this is the general understanding about the subject economy. Does it make any sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you'll be able to say what this economic is.
Yes, sir. Economics means that should include consumption.
Yes, very good.
And,
Production, consumption,
production.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all those things are there. So as we said that when we study about the history, immediately we come to know about the past,
Events,
isn't it?
yes,
Events
sir.
recorded, isn't it? Then about civics,
Yes, sir.
Political systems,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
then about the geography immediately. So similarly, when we talk about economics, we have to talk about all these production, consumption, factors, and all the things taking place, and that we relate with the economy.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So, dear students, this subject is going to be very interesting for us. Okay,
Yes, sir.
like the other subjects, the history, so many things, and that made you very interesting, isn't it? So
Yes,
similarly, the other subjects as well. Then economics also. This also will be going to be very interesting for all of us.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so dear students, before I move on to the chapter that I am going to deal with today,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
just I want to know something. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll ask you some questions, and connected with that, I will try to relate with the new chapter of today that I am going to discuss with you all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, dear students, please pay attention. I will ask question. See, dear students,
Yes,
God
sir.
has created all of us, isn't it? Human beings
Yes,
in
sir.
His own image and likeness. Okay, you are the image of God. I am in the image of God. So we all of us are
Image of God.
created in the image and likeness of
God.
And another thing is that we human beings also come under the animal kingdom. Okay.
Yes,
We cannot
sir.
say that we don't belong to animal kingdom. Okay, we also belong to animal kingdom. But thing is that why we human beings take the upper hand? See, in animal kingdom we see there are mighty animals, isn't it? Huge animals, very powerful animals. Even though we human beings, we take the upper hand. We take the first place in the animal kingdom. What is the reason behind?
Yes, sir. Because we use our intelligence, sir.
Yes, fantastic answer. Because
Reasoning
we are,
power.
yes, correct. So we are able to reason out,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes,
we are
sir.
able to reason out. That is, one of the greatest things, isn't
Yes.
it? That
Yes,
we
sir.
human beings are having, and other animals they are not having, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Of course, they also are able to think, but in their own circle, but not like us, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's why we are controlling everything, human beings, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then another thing is that we human beings, we have the gift of language. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We have the gift of language. That means we are able to communicate with each other. We are able to understand, isn't it? Through the help of language. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And we are able to communicate, share our ideas. We are able to give direction through the help of language.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, students. So, since we are talking about the use of language, the importance of language, so let me ask you a small question related to the language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, could you tell me the 4 basic skills of language learning?
Speaking, listening, reading, writing, sir.
Yes, very good, very good. I like that. Good answer. So, when we talk about any language learning, so we should have these 4 basic skills. What are those? As you said, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So, without those 4 skills, we cannot, learn the language properly. Isn't it?
Yes,
we
sir.
should have the speaking skill, we should have the listening skill, and we should have the reading and writing. So all these 4 skills are very important in order to learn a language. Correct?
Yes,
so
sir.
all these 4 skills are interconnected, interrelated, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then only we can have the proper learning of a language, new language. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
dear students, now can you guess the topic that I am going to deal with you today, this very class? Or can you guess the new chapter that we are going to deal in this economic subject? The first chapter is very much related with that.
Maybe production.
Yes, it is very much related to the factors of production. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Factors of production. So, in the factors of production also, there are 4 factors that are very much related, very much interconnected, very much interlinked. Okay.
Yes,
For the
sir.
production of desired goods and services. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are those factors? Production factors?
Land,
labor,
capital,
human capital,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes,
Very
sir.
good. So, in the first chapter, we'll be dealing very specifically about the factors of production. That's land, labor, capital, and the human capital. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, before that, you might have observed the first chapter, the title is, the topic, the topic of the first chapter is the story of the village Palampur. Okay,
Yes,
story of the
sir.
village Palampur. You might be wondering why we need to study about the story in a particular subject also, but it's there. Okay, so I will explain to you. Okay, I'll give you the introductory part about that. Okay, so
Yes,
please pay
sir.
attention here. This is the last slide for you, and this will make you understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, here in this particular subject, the first chapter will be dealing about the story of village Palampur. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is about the village Palampur. So, story of the village Palampur. So, you must be wondering where this Palampur is. Are you curious to know about this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very
So,
much.
dear students, please pay attention. This Palampur does not exist anywhere. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, it is a hypothetical village. That means imaginary village. Okay.
Yes,
It does
sir.
not exist in reality. Does not exist in fact. But
Yes, sir.
only it exists only in mind. But what is the reason behind? What is the reason behind? Here, to learn the basic concept of production and the things related to the production. Why this hypothetical village? Why this imaginary village is taken? In order to learn the basic concept of production. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And all the things related to the production. So, we take this ideal village, okay, only in mind. We imagine, okay, and we try to relate the production that is taking place in that particular village. Suppose, see here. Why story is told? Objective. The very purpose of telling the story is to learn something, isn't it?
Yes,
When you
sir.
tell something, the story, then objective behind is that we learn something from that story, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
same way, here also the story of the village Palampur. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the story is created in order to understand the basic concept of production. Okay, that
Yes,
is taking
sir.
place. We just imagine. Okay, we just imagine. Suppose we create a story. What do you imagine? We say, there existed, or once upon a time there existed a king and a queen. Like that we create
Yes,
story,
sir.
isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
same thing we imagine here. Okay, that is not in reality, but we imagine in order to understand the concept of
Yes,
production.
sir.
Okay, and all the things related to the production. See here, the third bullet. We will see how various resources are combined to produce desired goods and services in the village Palampur. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's why there's those four factors of production are very much understood. Okay, taking the example of the story of village Palampur. How in the village Palampur the factors of production are used to produce goods and services, desired goods and services. Okay,
Yes, sir.
are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is about the village Palampur. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
in this very chapter we will study what this village is all about. Okay,
Yes, sir.
how it is connected to the factors of production or concept of production and all the things related. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we will study about all these. So just I introduced you about this new topic, the story of the village Palampur. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dear students, today I will not give you any, I will not ask you anything, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just I will give you homework. Very interesting homework, okay?
Yes,
Home
sir.
assignment. So please, look at the slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the home assignment. Read the first chapter, the story of village Palampur.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So before we go into detail, before we study the chapter in detail, I want all of you to read this chapter and come. Okay?
Yes,
so
sir.
that we understand better. Okay? So when I explain to you, when I discuss with you all with regard to this chapter, then that will make you more clear. Okay? You will
Yes, sir.
understand better. So because of that I am giving you this homework. Okay?
Yes,
home
sir.
assignment. Please, you go today home, and at home you please read this first chapter, and tomorrow you come. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow in detail we will study. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dear students, so here I wind up my class. Okay? So thank you so much for being so patient and listening to me. Okay? Keep it up like that only. Okay?
Yes,
Be
sir.
energetic all the time. You learn, and this subject will be very interesting. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, sir.